So what I'm gonna do is show you my process of washing a car. It's quick and easy, and I usually do it myself normally, so I save money on car washes. First, I start off with 2 buckets. I got one for just regular clean water. I got one for soapy water. And then I usually like to find shade, like I pulled my car up here on the shade. Or you could do it on a cloudy day or whatever, it just makes it easier. So first, you're gonna wanna clean the rims off first. I'm gonna use a no scrub all wheel cleaner. And then that's gonna help loosen up the brake dust and everything and get it easier to clean. These wheels aren't that bad, so it won't be that hard to do. Just give them on the direction stay to leave them on for a couple minutes. By the time you come back around and go to rinse the car off, it'll be ready to go. Go to the other side. I think a clean car looks best when it has clean wheels. Otherwise, it just looks dingy. Now, as it sits, I'm going to spray off the car. What this does is this knocks any loose dirt and particles off the car before you wash it down, plus it gets it wet. I usually like to start with the front to get the main and the bugs off, and then I work from the top on the way down. Now by the time you're done spraying off the car, you can just go ahead and spray off the wheels now. It's not going to make them perfect, you don't have to scrub them, it's going to get them nice and clean. Oh, that's my son Dante filming right now. Say hi, Dante.
Hello.
These aren't really dirty at all. This would be even better if I had a power washer. But I don't, not yet. Alright, so whenever I start actually with the soap in the car, I've already pre-mixed my soap and water in here. I use a microfiber sponge. I just got that from Walmart. It's nothing. It's only like $2 or $3. So I got this guy. It does a good job. It's nice and soapy. You want to start from the top. I kind of like to split the car in half. Start from the top and work your way down. When you do a good section, then you rinse off. And everybody's going to say, you don't have a dirt catcher at the bottom. That's okay. These buckets kind of have it built into it. So now, half the car is finished. I'm going to rinse this half off. And then start on the other half. We got a little spot. Now I'll be right back. Deposit. Alright, this is one of my old sponges here that I've had laying around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to wipe the rims off with and wipe and clean the wheels with the soapy water. So, it's a good thing. Why are there ladybugs in here? Get out of there. Okay, so I'm just going to use this. And then this gets in between all the little spots on all the wheels. It sucks having all these spokes on here, but they look good, so I don't care. What was that?
It was my toes.
It's like dog growling. It's not like Scarlet growling.
It's the wet grass.
Alright. So, that's what I use this guy for. He just helps makes things nice and shiny. Oh, it's a workout. Hey Dante.
Yeah.
What did the buffalo say to his son as he went off to college?
What?
Bye, son. What's brown and sticky?
Mud?
A stick.
Oh.
Alright, so now we're going to dry the car. I like to use a large microfiber cloth. Get them at the store, Walmart or whatever. They're like $2-3. Then I usually have a bunch of little ones on hand that I will use to get like all the little drips and stuff. So, easiest, fastest way to do this is just take your towel and then just run it down like this. And that helps dry it quickest. As you can see, the towel's soaking up a lot of water. And when you get most of the bulk done with the big towel, and that's when I go through and hand dry off the rest. Once I know how this is. Don't mind my scanner.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, you're talking about the printer?
Yeah. I like to dry this part off here because a lot of water likes to collect in this area. I don't know if it does it with every car, but I know mine does. So I do that with another towel. That's why it's always good to have a lot of microfiber towels. Cool thing about Fords is they don't have a gas cap. It's a capless gas or gasless or capless. What is it? Easy fuel capless system.
What?
Which is cool.
When did they start doing that?
2011, 2012, I think.
Are they the only car that does that?
Yeah, as far as I know. Alright, so then after I get that part, the rest of it will dry. Then, what I like to do every time I wash my car is wash the outside with Rain-X. This is a glass cleaner slash repellent. If you ever use Rain-X, you know what I'm talking about. It's awesome stuff. It's a lot easier than applying it old-fashioned way. Just like washing glass. That's it. And last but not least, I have a towel specifically made for my wheels that I used to dry it off with. It's usually my dirty one. It's clean, but yet it's dirty. So, and if you don't dry your wheels off, they get spotty. one last thing you could do after you clean the glass, wipe everything down, is use a, oh, hold on, let me get it for you. Use like a quick detail or quick wipe. It's just something to get the water spots off in case you have to do it in the sun. And it gets all the extra streaks off and whatever. Just helps make things nice and tidy. So other than that, I'm just going to shine the wheels and then I'll show you the finished product. How's the car look, Lily? Clean as always? I know. Yeah.